Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And guys, in today's quick guide, I will show you how to use the BCC feature in Gmail to protect recipients' privacy when emailing multiple people. It's a simple but powerful way to send messages without exposing everyone's email address. First, go ahead and log into your Gmail account on your computer. Once you are in, click the Compose button in the top left corner to start a new email. In the new message window, look to the far right of the To field. You'll see a small BCC link. Click that. A new BCC field will now appear below the To line. This is where you'll type the email addresses of everyone you want to BCC. You can enter several addresses here. Just separate each one with a comma, and remember, everyone in the BCC section will see who else received the email. This keeps your recipients list private and avoids a cluttered message. Next, fill in the subject of your email and type your messages in the main body area. Feel free to write as much as you like or as little as needed, just like you would in any regular email. And before hitting send, take a moment to double check the BCC field and review your message for any errors or missing details. Once everything looks good, click send, and that's it. Your email is on its way, with BCC keeping your recipients discreet and your message looking polished. Remember, you can use BCC to discreetly send newsletters, announcements, or bulk messages without triggering unwanted replies from all recipients. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with some of our more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys.